Michele Motta from Mapadore. I don't know if you had time to see our other webinars we organized where we were talking about the CRM and the main benefits and problems that we are facing today in different projects. But we decided today to talk about us. Who is Mapadore and what do we do? So, who is Mapadore? Mapadore is an Italian startup who created a special app for helping the sales rep in a way to work better each day. So we decided to say that we are like a guide in the sales journey for the sales rep. Our mission is to help our customers and to help them through our software solutions and through our apps that we already organized. We have different ready-to-use solutions and different customers that are already using it. We are today active in more than 35 countries all over the world. And we are an app exchange partner since 2017. Our idea and the philosophy of Mapadore gave us the possibility to be awarded by Gartner as a cool vendor in 2018. But why? What makes us unique? What do we have different from others? First, we have the geolocation. We are able to display on a map all the customers you have on your CRM. And we add artificial intelligence. So it's not just to see customer on a map, but to see customer with a prioritization and with the possibility to optimize visits and to increase the number of meetings during the week, during the day. In this way, we help the organization to have more opportunities and to grow in revenues. This is what is really unique in Mapadore, and this is why Gartner gave us this award. Our mission is to make the sales journey easy and fluent. All Mapadore is based on digital assistant, something very easy that helps the sales rep to work better and in a shorter time. So what we saw in our project is that we really help the CRM adoption because of the ease of use of our solution. And at the end, we help sales rep to sell more and better in less time. This is our mission, and this is what we do. We are natively integrated in Salesforce, for instance, and we are able to give inside Salesforce. We are not an app that is connecting to Salesforce, but we are developing Lightning. And so we are inside Salesforce. We use all the data we can find inside Salesforce to give to the sales rep an idea of his customers and how to deal with this customer in order to increase the number of visits. Generally speaking, we speed up the sales process. How? With our digital assistants. Imagine your sales rep that have something inside the CRM that is constantly suggesting new visit, new customer to call, the best way to organize the visits and to increase the number of them in our agenda. This is thanks to the artificial intelligence algorithm that we have inside Mapadore, and this way of giving support and suggestion through our digital assistants and to use artificial intelligence that can work with all the data inside the CRM is the reason why Gartner gave us the Cool Vendor Award in 2018 for CRM sales. There are many benefits in Mapadore because we can make the sales process faster because the sales rep has always some new suggestion what to do next. We increase the probability to close a deal because we can prioritize customer in order to have the sales rep working on the best customer and those that are more easy to close, considering the segmentation and considering what we are going to offer. We help the CRM adoption and we give tools to constantly monitor what the sales reps are doing. This can mean to increase the number of appointments. Normally, on an average, we found out on all the projects that we realized that a sales rep can increase by 15 to 30% the number of meetings he can plan in a week, but in some cases we're right to a 200% increase. This is very important and it's a great result that easily can make you understand that we help the sales rep and the company to have a better coverage of the territory. This means also a better coverage of the customer base, considering customer, prospect, lead, or whatever. And at the end, this is a faster management of lead and prospect. What we saw in some of our projects is that the medium time from contract to contract, in some cases, has been half the time that was normally dedicated to this activity. We have several digital assistants. One possibility is to have a relevance score to prioritize a customer. We give the geolocation, which is very easy to use and so immediate to all the sales reps. We have the possibility of a profile match in order to match the best customer with the best sales rep based on the skills of the sales rep and the need of the customer or based on their social profile. We suggest continuously who should be the next best customer to contact and to visit. And we help to set all the visits and the meetings with our smart planner, which can manage easily the agenda of the sales rep. Of course, all of these possibilities can be realized through different channels. On the web, with a call center, directly from the sales rep, whatever. Our idea is that we have to speed up the sales process. So we have to be on any kind of channel of contact for the customer and the sales rep. We also had the possibility to give a very smart and quick response to the visits by using a tool that can give a quick feedback about the appointment. And of course, we added also two different assistants. There are the Smart Journey and the Mapadore Index. The Smart Journey gives you the agenda and shows you for all the days where the sales rep will be, how many kilometers or miles he will do, and how many customers he is going to visit. All of this can give us the Mapadore Index, which is an index of optimization, considering the free time, the travel time, the visit time of a sales rep, and considering how his agenda was well organized. We also added the Fill My Day feature, which is the possibility to position our activity in one central point and have Mapadore set all the appointments with the customer, considering their prioritization, in our agenda. Reshuffle appointment is the possibility to review some of the appointments already set in a day in order to increase the number of free time and so the number of possible appointments with a customer. And we can do it by giving also the availability of time of the customer and of the sales rep. And this means that I can also say that the sales rep on a specific day can be in one town, on another day it will be in another town, on another day it will be in another town. So you can easily set all the appointments with the customer according with his agenda and where he will be in that particular day. Of course, we added also the possibility to invite colleagues in an agenda, and this is to meet the need that we found in some of our customers to have a specialist to go out with the sales rep to the appointment with the customers. Of course, Mapadore is a team, and it's a unique team because we put together very different skills and abilities under the technological, function, and the project management point of view. So we can realize very technological solution by using our algorithm and artificial intelligence, but also we can deliver this project with our capability of project management. And we know how the customer works because we know how the sales organization normally work and what are the main problems that you can find in some sales organization. We created some webinar. I'd like you to see all those webinars and leave us a comment. Please tell us what you think about our thought. Do you need more infos? Do you need to know better who Mapadore is and how to work with it? Please contact us. You can schedule now a demo by just clicking on the button you will find in this webinar, or you can ask for a contact with one of our specialists that will be there for you to explain how Mapadore can really help a sales rep and a sales organization to sell more and in less time. It was very few information, but I hope that was worth, and they gave you the idea of who we are. But of course, contact me with all the contacts you can find here, and feel free to send us an email or telephone us. We will be there to answer all your questions. Thank you. Thank you very much. By Michele Motta and Mapadore.